Hi, welcome back NextTech Spark.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a smooth and professional-looking masking transition, just like the one you saw in the preview. We'll be using Filmora for this tutorial, which makes the whole process super beginner-friendly and easy to follow. Whether you're new to video editing or looking to enhance your transitions, this guide will help you add that extra touch of creativity and polish to your videos. So, let's jump right in and learn how to create an awesome masking transition using Filmora.